I had a dream last night about what I now understand is Esau from Genesis, which is Jacob's brother. Esau has red hair, and that's what this guy had in my dream. He looked like a almost like a monster. He was so hairy, and he had a big head, and that's actually what stood out, I guess, the most. And I was sitting on a couch at a place I used to live, and anyway, I guess there wasn't really no message except like I've been walking a lot in nature and just like being friends. So Esau was known as a hunter.